Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, February 3rd, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to talk to you about our CBD oil because we got ours in the mail. All right, this is we got the 1500 milligram natural flavor, and it's awesome. Okay, it tastes great, and I thought I would just do a quick review video on this right now. Okay, this is what the bottle looks like. All right, 1500 milligrams CBD oil. You can see we have it in 750 milligrams and then the 1500 milligrams, and we also have it in peppermint flavor. All right, so you can choose between the two. And I'll show you the supplement facts here. All right, so this is a 1 ounce bottle that we have. It has 30 servings in it, and you can see that it is mixed in MCT oil and vitamin E. Okay. So the description reads, at LiveGood, we pride ourselves on providing only the highest quality, purest products on the planet, and our CBD oil represents that to the utmost level. Derived from only the top 1% of hemp farms in the country, LiveGood CBD oils ensure you will experience maximum benefit with each and every drop. The ultimate carrier oil. While many CBD products use hemp seed oil as the carrier for CBD, more and more of the top CBD brands and products around the world are moving exclusively to a superior carrier, MCT, which is medium chain triglycerides oil. It was formerly believed that hemp seed oil was the perfect carrier oil for CBD, considering it is found in the same plant. However, over the past few years, it has been shown, in fact, that MCT oil has more saturated fat than hemp seed oil, allowing it to carry more CBD molecules, thus delivering more CBD to our body's cells for faster absorption and maximum benefit that you'll notice from the very first drop. From the purest, cleanest, rawest materials to the most advanced harvesting and extraction processes on the planet, LiveGood CBD oil is the highest quality CBD oil anywhere. All right, now you can see up here, if you're a member of LiveGood, for a 750 milligram bottle, you're going to pay $18. All right, if you're a retail customer, you're going to pay $28. For the 1500 milligrams, as a member, you're going to pay $26, and for retail customers, it's $36. All right, you can't beat these prices, folks. It's the highest quality on the planet, and we can compare it here to Green Road CBD oil, which is 550 milligrams for $89.99, and then we have Young Living CBD oil, 500 milligrams for $79.95, and we all know there's other companies out there. Some charge as much as $120 or more per bottle. All right, so we've been taking this, my wife and I. We can highly recommend it. All right. And you can order it through the link down below. That'll take you to my shop page where you can check this out yourself. Now, to become a member of LiveGood, it's $9.95 a month. All right. This is a membership-based business. So you pay $9.95 a month, just like you would at Sam's Club or Costco. And then you have access to all of our prices, all of our member prices, which are really wholesale prices. Okay. So for $10 a month, you're going to save that just by on your first purchase, basically, by buying one of our awesome products. So you can join $9.95 a month. We also have a business opportunity with this where you can make money by sharing this opportunity with other people. There's a link for that down in the description box. It takes you over here to my LiveGood tour page that looks just like this. It has a 5-minute and 55-second video you can watch. It goes over the company and everything, how everything works. You can reserve your position in our 2x15 forced matrix by filling out your first, last name, email, and clicking reserve my position now. There's no cost to reserve your free position, and you can opt out anytime. All right, so I highly recommend the CBD oil. For the price, you can't go wrong. Anyway, if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.